Yes, today I'm going to unbox Flipkart Bluetooth wireless headphones BT534. The model number is, so here it is, you can see. So the back side you can see there is some description of the headphones. So let's unpack it. So there is some card, Flipkart card, and there is USB connector. And let's see the main headphones. So this is how it looks. It is covered with plastic cover. So it is a foldable headphone, guys. You can see it is already folded and portable too. And the weight is okay for now. Let me unfold it. It is a bit sturdy. So here is the USB-C connector, and this is the port. So and the aux cable is also given in the box. So yes, this headphone supports aux cable, so you can connect this headphone to your phone whenever the charging ran out. So let's come to design and build quality. You can see it is entirely made up of plastic, and the top of the headphone has some rubber material for comfort. And you can see overall the build is looking nice. And that is the buttons called volume less, pause, volume up, and the power button. So overall it looks sturdy, and you can also elongate the headphones like this according to your head size, whatever. So overall it's a good looking headphone, and you can just unfold just like this and carry it anywhere. The only problem is it is a bit hard when you to unfold it. Let's connect to the phone and see how it aux cable works. So one end is connected to headphone and another end is connected to 3.5 mm jack of the phone. Yes, so there's an option of aux cable. So let us see, here is the microphone in the headphone for taking calls and all, and this is the charging port, and that is the charging cable given, and a Flipkart logo is over here. And there is some plastic circle just for look purpose. It rotates just for look purpose and does nothing other than that. So let's power on just by holding the power button for 5 seconds. You can see a blue light will blink. So let's connect it to our phone. So just go to Bluetooth option in these settings, turn on it, and you will see the device name is Flipkart Smart by BT534. So here it is. It connect. Have already paid before, so you can see it's connected immediately and showing all the stats. So yes, this I have used it a while and it connects very fast. That is one plus point. So let's come to the sound quality and battery life. So the battery life is very good, very good. I have been using this headphone for the past week. You will get charging around 10 to 12 hours, and charging time is like 1.5 hours. And the sound quality is pretty decent and good. The bass is very high. When you connect it to the Bluetooth, the sound is very maximum, goes to max, and the sound clarity is very neat. The cushions are also comfortable. You don't get any itchy or something, so it is not that tight. It is pretty decent. So let's test the sound quality. Just if you want to know how loud it gets, let's test some NCS Alan Walker faded. So I have on. So let us see. So this is the max volume. Like it is connected to headphone, but the audio is still coming out of the headphones. So that is pretty loud. That's how much loud it gets. You can see. You can see when I reduce the volume, it's very less, and when I increase the volume, it goes to max. And this is the pause button. You can pause the music at any time. And this is the call button. You can take the calls directly by clicking that button. That's it, or the buttons and all. So overall guys, this is a very good looking headphone, very normal weight, and the sound is very pretty decent. And so overall I can say I am very impressed with these headphones. I have been using these headphones for the past 1 week, and for a normal regular all this stuff. The most impressive part of this headphone is the battery backup. It's an excellent battery backup. Don't need to charge it continuously like other headphones. And this is also a budget headphone. I bought it for Flipkart for about 700. So you can go on the description below to buy this headphone. So overall, that's it guys. This is the overall overview of the Flipkart wireless headphones BT534. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.